Get spa-like treatment in the comfort of your own home with the SpaSonic 7-piece skincare system. SpaSonic delightfully deep cleanses the entire face and body, tones the skin, and makes you feel great. SpaSonic Skincare System Face and Body Polisher is a waterproof device which is ideal for use in the shower, bath, and sink. It operates with 4 attachments, all included: a small brush for the face, a large brush for the body, pumice for rough areas, and a facial sponge for microdermabrasion and reduction of fine lines. The SpaSonic's dermal penetrating action promotes rapid absorption of skincare products. Made with clear skin technology, the SpaSonic brush heads were specially designed by dermatologists to deep clean while being completely non-irritating. Have beautiful spa-like skin without the spa price with the SpaSonic skincare system. Available in 6 stylish colors: white, pink, lavender, orchid, tangerine and optic yellow. Each 7-piece includes 1 body polishing unit, 2 small facial brushes, 1 large body brush, 1 facial buffer, 1 pumice stone and 1 battery 4-pack. Exfoliates, smooths and softens skin. Recommended by dermatologists. Can be used with your favorite cleansers. Tightens and reduces size of pores. Supports the reduction of fine lines and dark spots. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.